everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here to show you a Kawaii box that I got. It's a subscription box, and Kawaii stands for cute. My daughter studies the Japanese culture, and she is teaching me everything about Japanese. Let's open up the package. And that is the box. It has this cool things on it. It says smile, snap, and share. Share your unboxing to win Kawaii box. So the first thing I got was this. Super cute. And Cute Magic Christmas. And it just has a lot of things. I will look at this later. So I'm pretty excited. Look at the paper. Oh, Lord. Let's look together, shall we? So I got, which I can't eat, these cookies. And, ooh, they look yummy. And, of course, it's in Japanese and all that. But my daughter's can read a little bit of it, but not much. She's learning. So how cool is that? And the second thing I got was this. How adorable is that? It's an ornament. You hang it on your tree. Oh, isn't that adorable? So cute. And then we got this heart. Look at this. Oh, it's a keychain. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, super cool. Wow, that is so neat. And it's so soft. Isn't that adorable? So cute. And then we got some badges. And we got Christmas tree. Oh, these are cute. You can even take the pins off and do something with them. And a gingerbread. Aw. We got some more candy. Isn't that adorable? Oh, look at this plate. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So cute. Oh my goodness, look how adorable that is. Isn't that adorable? And then we got a rainbow eraser. Let's check that out. And one thing about these, I can make charms with these. Look at that. How cute. I'm loving this box. Looks like a clear bag. Aww. Isn't that adorable? And it says, we wish you a Merry Christmas. And you can give this to gifts or whatever. Aww. And this cute pin. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this cuteness. Isn't that adorable? Oh, this is my first box and I'm loving everything that's in it. Wow. How adorable. Jeez, how cute. Bye, everyone.